I used to think black holes were just scientific curiosities, distant and theoretical. But what if our ancient ancestors, without advanced telescopes, somehow intuited something far more profound about the universe's true architecture? Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nightforge. Join us as we journey from the terrifying event horizons of black holes to the cryptic symbols of ancient civilizations, and discover how their portals might just connect to our most cutting-edge cosmic understanding. For centuries, humanity has looked up at the stars and told stories of gods, heroes, and magical gateways to other worlds. These portals, often depicted as swirling vortexes or shimmering doorways, a cornerstone of our myths and legends. From the Bifrost Bridge in Norse mythology to the Stargates of ancient Egypt, they represent a deep-seated human desire to travel beyond our known world, to instantly traverse vast distances. But what if these weren't just stories? What if they were primitive interpretations of a real cosmic phenomenon? Now, let's jump from ancient myth to modern astrophysics. We have our own version of a mysterious one-way gateway in the cosmos, the black hole. A black hole is a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. It's formed from the collapsed remnant of a massive star. At its heart lies a singularity, a point of infinite density, and surrounding it is the event horizon, the point of no return. Cross it, and you're pulled in forever. On the surface, ancient portals and black holes seem worlds apart. One is a product of mythology, a magical door. The other is a product of Einstein's theory of general relativity, a cosmic vacuum cleaner. But when we look closer, the parallels are fascinating. Both are gateways, both lead to an unknown, and perhaps unknowable, destination. Both represent a boundary between our reality and something else. Could our ancestors have been describing black holes in the only language they had? It's a tantalizing idea. Of course, they couldn't see black holes directly, but perhaps they witnessed related phenomena. A supernova, the explosive death of a star that can lead to a black hole's birth, would have been the brightest light in the sky, visible even during the day. An event like that would have been seared into the collective memory of any civilization that saw it. A new star appearing and then vanishing, leaving a mystery in its place. Could this hole in the sky, where a star once was, be the origin of the portal myth? Let's explore the science a bit deeper. While a classical black hole is a one-way trip to oblivion, modern physics offers some stranger possibilities. Enter the concept of a wormhole, also known as an Einstein-Rosen bridge. This is a hypothetical shortcut through space-time. Imagine the universe as a sheet of paper. To get from one point to another, you'd usually have to travel across the paper. But what if you could fold the paper and punch a hole through both points? That's a wormhole. It's a tunnel connecting to distant points in space, or even to different points in time. The incredible thing is that the mathematics for some types of black holes actually allows for the existence of a wormhole at their center. Instead of a crushing singularity, you might find a tunnel to another part of the universe. Now, before you pack your bags, it's important to know that these wormholes are thought to be incredibly unstable. They would likely collapse the instant they formed or require a strange type of theoretical matter, called exotic matter with negative energy, to keep them open. So, we're still firmly in the realm of theory. But let's play with this idea. If traversable wormholes are even a remote possibility, they would function exactly like the portals of myth, a gateway to another world, another galaxy, or another time. You'd step through a door in one location and emerge instantaneously in another. It's the ultimate cosmic shortcut. Is it possible that what ancient cultures described as magical portals were a kind of folk memory or intuitive guess about these cosmic tunnels? Let's look at some ancient depictions. Many cultures have circular or spiral motifs that are central to their cosmology. Think of the Celtic triple spiral at Newgrange, or the spiral petroglyphs found across the American Southwest. Scientists use similar diagrams to represent the swirling accretion disk of matter around a black hole or the vortex of a wormhole's throat. The visual similarity is striking. Of course, this could be a coincidence. Spirals are a common shape in nature, from seashells to galaxy. but it's hard to ignore the parallel when you're looking for connections. Consider the descriptions of these portals in mythology. They are often described as places of immense power, chaos, and transformation. Places where the normal laws of the world break down. This sounds a lot like the environment around a black hole, where space-time itself is warped and twisted, and time slows to a crawl for an outside observer. The journey through a mythical portal is often perilous, a test of the hero's worth. The journey into a black hole is, to put it mildly, the ultimate one-way perilous journey. So, are we saying that ancient Egyptians had a working theory of general relativity? No, of course not. The connection is likely more symbolic and intuitive. Our brains are wired to find patterns, to create stories that make sense of the world. A mysterious, powerful, and transformative gateway is a powerful archetype that appears in both our scientific models and our oldest myths. It speaks to a fundamental aspect of reality and our desire to understand it. Science and mythology are two different languages trying to describe the same universe. Science uses mathematics and observation. Mythology uses story and symbol. But sometimes, they arrive at surprisingly similar conclusions. The idea of a black hole as a portal is one of those fascinating intersections. It bridges the gap between our most advanced scientific theories and our most ancient human stories. It shows us that for all our technology and knowledge, we are still asking the same fundamental questions our ancestors asked. What is our place in the cosmos? Are we alone, and are there hidden doorways that lead to places beyond our wildest imagination? The black hole, once just a scientific curiosity, has become a modern myth, a symbol of the ultimate mystery, the final frontier. It's a dark mirror reflecting our deepest fears and our greatest hopes about what lies beyond the veil of our known world. Perhaps the true connection isn't that ancient portals, asterisk or asterisk black holes, but that both concepts spring from the same deep well of human curiosity. We are explorers, whether we're charting unknown lands, navigating the stars with telescopes, or journeying through the landscapes of our own imagination. The dream of the portal, of instantaneous travel to a new and wondrous place, is alive and well. It's just that today, we call it theoretical physics. And who knows, maybe one day, we'll finally figure out how to build one. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey today. If you enjoyed this exploration of science and mythology, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more adventures into the unknown, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments what you think are black holes, the universe's natural portals. See you next time.